Booking absences. As a manager or HR administrator, you have the ability to create absence records, giving you full control over employees' leave management. To do this, first, log into your timeware system using your login credentials. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand side of your screen and navigate to the Absence Management module. Once selected, you can then navigate to the relevant employee by selecting the Find option at the bottom of the screen, and then navigating to them and choosing the correct employee. Once that is done, you can then select the Calendar option. You'll now see a year view of the absence calendar. The way this displays can vary depending on your organization's absence entitlement policy. For example, it might show January to December or April to March, or however your policies may be set up. Now, find the date you want to book the absence for. Let's say the 19th of December. Right-click on that date, then select New, followed by Absence. A new screen will now appear where you can enter the absence details. Start by selecting the Absence category. This helps filter the absence based on the type you're recording. Next, choose the absence reason. For example, if the employee is taking a half-day holiday, select that option from the list. If the absence spans more than one day, you can adjust the end date here. Now let's look at absence restrictions. For instance, if the employee has requested the afternoon off, you can use the Absence can only be taken between section to specify the time range. In this case, 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. This tells timeware to still expect clocking data for the morning of that day. Alternatively, if the absence is for something like a medical appointment and the employee only needs 1 hour off, you can use the Force Absence Duration to be paid at a specified rate field. Simply enter 1 hour here, then select the absence rate. Typically, this will be set to Basic, unless a timeware technician has stated otherwise. Once you've entered all the details, take a moment to review everything and make sure it's correct. At the bottom of the screen, ensure the authorization is set to Approved and that the Finalized box is ticked. You can also add any notes about the absence in the Leave Request Response Note section if needed. When you're happy with everything, click OK to save the absence. The absence will now appear on the employee's absence management record, update their leave balance, and be reflected in your reports. And that's it. Booking an absence in timeware is simple and keeps your records accurate and up to date.